And we are in front of the new Yucon K Peak for the 2025 and 26 model year. And well, I will be entering inside of this 7-meter Sprinter, check if they have made some improvements of all together with a nice overall look with brighter materials. And if we enter inside, sitting area that can be probably extended so you have much more space, cabinetry all around but without here. Then we have just a standard 2 gas burner with kitchen, 3 cabinets, another cabinet, and additional 3 cabinets right out there. Because this is the 7-meter variant, we have much more space inside to layer down the fridge far back into the corner, the additional cabinet space with nice lighting inside. And then a pretty good sized sink where you can just push it back, revealing the Tet for cassette toilet and a wide nice shower. And if we go back, longitudinal beds, actually pretty long, and if we measure it, it could go approximately 1.856 from this side and approximately 1.867. But yes, comfortably sleeping 2 people, the widest part about 1.6, but probably you can extend this much more. And we have 4 cabinets on each side. Going out and getting a view of the K Peak on the back, we have this design with additional storage here for just 1 gas bottle and additional storage there. And then we have the heating going all up on the that part and amazing height for all your belongings right up here. So this is the new K Peak 7.0 from Yucon, and yes, it has already an actual lift kit with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires.